Hey guys, for most of you that know, I have a YouTube channel, and for the other half, well, here it is. I don't do gaming, but I record and stuff, but not every day. But when there's something that interests me, I record it and put it on here. So, and I only got like 2 subscribers because, well, I'm not that popular, trust me. So, if you want to subscribe, go on ahead. If you don't, I'm not putting nothing past you. So, I just wanted to put that out there. And thank you, and have a good day, or night, or wherever you're at. Bye.